To explain you about train delay prediction using machine learning. For front end, we have used HTML, CSS, JavaScript and Bootstrap, and for backend we used Python with the Django framework and integrated it with MySQL database. To run this project, first we need to open command prompt in this location and type Python manage.py run server. Copy this address and paste it on any browser. This is the project's index page. This project has three modules: admin, model builder and user. Let's check what are the functionalities of admin. And credentials are admin and admin. Admin uploads the dataset so that model builder can use that particular dataset to train the model. Here admin has privilege to upload any type of data. Admin can view all the users and feedbacks which are given by users. Next module is model builder. Credentials for this are builder and builder. As admin uploaded the dataset, model builder uses this particular dataset to train random forest and XGBoost algorithm. We got model stats of random forest. These are XGBoost model results. And we can compare the model to analyze which model performs better. In my case, random forest performs better, so it will be deployed automatically. User should register first. As I have registered previously, I can log in immediately with my credentials. Predict delay. Let me enter some sample data. And I got predicted delay. And we have added an extra functionality called live predict. And here is my prediction history. From this page, I can give a feedback for admin and log out.